Hi guys, welcome once again. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to remove the Capcut watermark on your video. Most recently, Capcut has made everything pro to the extent they now have their watermark on their videos. So if you don't want this showing, I'm going to be teaching you how you can remove the Capcut watermark. Sometimes it could be on the upper right or on the upper left or the lower right or on the lower left of your video. So I'll be showing you how you can remove this CapCut watermark on your video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to open your CapCut app. And when that is done, you go to New Project. When you click on New Project, then you click on the video that you wish to edit. So this first video here is what I want to edit. So click on that video and then add. So now this is the video that I want to edit. So now you can see the CapCut watermark here. It's at the top right corner. Okay, I'm trying to click on it to open. So you can see this is the watermark. So it's right now it's on the upper right. You can either place it on the lower right, lower left, or on the upper left. Depends on you, depends on what you want. But I just choose to place mine on the upper right for the purpose of the editing of this video. So when that is done, and when you are done editing your video, then you go over to export your video. So when you are done uploading your video, you go to your gallery. Now this is the video that I just downloaded. So then from here you edit your video right from your gallery. So I'm going to go to edit. Now here we are. Then you go over to crop your video. Now you can see I can decide to crop my video this way, and then you see that CapCut watermark is off. Okay, let me play the video and you see that the watermark is off. You can see. Okay, let me revert the video. Now you can decide to crop your video this way and the watermark will be off. Can you see this, guys? Can you see that the watermark is off? Can you see this? So with this method, you'll be able to crop out your video, the CapCut watermark. So I'm just going to crop my video like this, and then I'm good to go. You can see this. So now the CapCut watermark is off. Okay. Let me just crop it a little bit more. Okay. So you can see this. The watermark is totally off. It's off the video. You can see. And then when that is done, you're satisfied. Then you go over to save your video. Then you save your video. Okay, voila, you can see. So this is it. Can you see this, guys? So now here you have it. The watermark is totally off your video, and you'll be able to upload your contents without the CapCut watermark. I hope this video you find it interesting. Has it been helpful? If it is, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video please, and recommend this video to anybody that may be in need of it, or other content creators that you know will be in need of this video. So thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Until I see you again, bye.